एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हूँ, परवाना बना दीजिए.
Top Gear.
I mean, you know that I got a 3-day role first, right?
No.
Yeah, I signed a 3-day role. Guy called Zakir or something, which is not, you blink and miss, nothing, you don't see him.
No way.
Yeah.
So you were doing Hira Mandi as a different role.
That's the smallest role possible. मुझे लगता था कि Instagram काम नहीं करता था मेरे लिए. नहीं मैं क्या करूँ?
मेरा तो वायरल होगा.
रील्स बना रहा हूँ, पोस्ट डाल रहा हूँ.
Body भी है, six pack है, back भी, leg days.
I was heavily into basketball.
Oh, basketball बोलते time में एक accent भी आ गया. Basketball.
I didn't know what happened to me, but I went and I held his hands, held his legs, and I'm like, sir, look, this is the biggest opportunity. Please, आप मुझे मत निकालिए. And then he said कि I saw your look test. कुछ तो है तेरी आँखों में. I want you for the lead of my project. Tazar Baloch.
God, goosebumps. Taha, welcome to the Dubai journey. But bro, welcome नहीं मेरा मतलब है welcome home यार.
Welcome home.
What does Dubai hold for you in your memories यार? आप आते होगे बचपन में, किस चीज के लिए आते थे? बीचेस के लिए आते थे, शॉपिंग के लिए आते थे, स्पोर्ट्स टूर्नामेंट के लिए आते थे, because you grew up. तो किस चीज के लिए आते थे? Why did you come to Dubai?
मतलब जहाँ पर मैंने पढ़ाई की थी उसका स्कूल का नाम है शोफात.
Shofat. Yeah.
You know?
My wife went to Shofat for 7 days and then she went to Dubai College after that week and she went.
अच्छा, she didn't like it.
It was too strict for her.
It is quite strict.
Yeah, so
भाई
she.
हर दिन AMS एग्जाम्स और हर तीसरे दिन को वीकली एग्जाम, वो भी 3 दिन. और मैं
Oh, so
तो सारे
that's one of the best Dubai schools. It used to be only between Shofat and Dubai College, DC, right? So you used to come from there all the way?
Yeah, no, I mean मैं शारजा में रहता था ना. तो शारजा में मेरी मम्मी ने बिल्कुल यानी स्कूल के बिल्कुल ऑपोजिट में उन्होंने घर ले लिया था. तो या मतलब हम स्कूल के लिए बिल्कुल कभी लेट नहीं हो सके. और
कोशिश करके भी
हम लेट नहीं हो सकते थे. तो बिल्कुल मतलब कभी तो मैं 7:45 को उठ के मैं 8 बजे.
What was growing up for you here? Were you into sports? Were you into art, dance, music? क्या था तेरा सीन? मतलब
यार काश डांस वांस हुआ करता था यहाँ पे. मतलब एक क्लास था मेरा जब मैं when I was in the 10th grade. तो मैं यहाँ पे
Which is only 5 years ago, guys. It's not 10 years ago.
Exactly. Yeah, keep that as a thing. तो यहाँ पे मैं आके मैं सालसा सीखता था. सालसा and cha-cha-cha.
Oh,
तो
cha-cha-cha. एक मूव हो जाए हाथों से क्या cha-cha-cha.
Cha-cha-cha.
1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 3, 4, cha-cha-cha. Oh my God.
So that was the only dance thing. और मैं खुद एक स्पोर्ट्समैन हूँ. मतलब मैं उस वक्त में मैं फुटबॉल खेला करता था.
Nice.
And I was heavily into basketball.
Oh, basketball बोलते time में एक accent भी आ गया. Basketball. I like that. I play a lot of basketball.
Yeah.
हाँ, मैं तो college and like even now I play a lot of basketball. This is a good place to play ball, man.
Yeah, man.
काफी अच्छे clubs हैं.
Most of my friends over here, they are into playing basketball. पर वहाँ जब हम खेलते थे उस वक्त पे जो कंपटीशन हुआ करता था, इंटर स्कूल कंपटीशन हुआ करते थे.
So do you know any? Do you remember any schools that you went to while for all these competitions?
We used to go inter school in शोफात और इतने ही सारे लोग हैं. शोफात इतने ज्यादा थे. हर कंट्री से यहाँ पे लोग आ जाते थे. So there was a शोफात here, Dubai, then there was Abu Dhabi, then was Lebanese वाले शोफात यहाँ पे आ जाते थे. So it was like massive.
International खिलाड़ी. Now international खिलाड़ी की बात हो रही है. Let's get to the point. People are like, भाई ये बात ही नहीं करा आदमी. First of all, I just want to say congratulations for the success of Hira Mandi, man.
Thank you.
Man. So proud of you. Well done. I mean, it's a show.
But before talking about Hira Mandi, I have to say that I have watched you through and through.
Growing
okay.
up, both the time.
Yeah.
Both the growing up.
Growing up, and I have to say that your energy, your vibe,
so sweet,
your personality, always which comes off on screen, is always been so, I think, very cool. Right? No. So honestly, I think you have been an inspiration for so many people to come into the entertainment industry and everybody knows you. Everybody
Wow,
knows
you're
you.
so sweet, man.
Right. So it's such an honor. I have to say this that,
Okay.
that I am here today with you.
Just point.
Alright.
क्या चाहिए तुझे? उंगली रखो. So, no, you're so kind. I have to tell you this. Hira Mandi was, and I'm from the same industry. I know the talks before Hira Mandi. My God, it was one of the most anticipated Netflix series in the last few years. I do 2 shows on Netflix.
Yeah.
When we do I announced one of the press conferences, the upcoming things and all. And I said Hira Mandi in that a few years ago, and then the build up, and then Manisha Koirala, Aditi, women, and I was like, wow, man, the only guy who has stood out now. Of course, all the other roles are there. Men are looking good. Everybody looks good in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali production, right? The production was amazing, bro. Kamal kar diya tune. How does it feel, bro? How does it feel today?
It is nothing but magical, bro. यानी मैं यहाँ का बंदा हूँ, bro. मतलब गल्फ में पैदा हुआ हूँ. सिर्फ सपने थे. मैं ऑडियंस हूँ पहले. मैं फैन था पहले.
हाँ यार.
And then to be मैं एक कहानी बताऊंगा जब मैं
वही मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो एक्टिंग और वो भी इंडियन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जाना, ये यहाँ से कैसे एक कीड़ा? How did this bug bite you, bro?
Bro, my mom ना वो बहुत बड़ी फिल्म बफ है और मेरे घर में ना हर दिन कोई ना कोई फिल्म चलती रहती थी.
No way.
Yeah, she knows all the songs, bro. All the songs, all the actors, all the things. At that time, she would know it all. All right, she knew it backwards. All right, and उनको भी एक opportunity मिली थी एक बार.
No way, this is crazy. Does anybody know? Has this come out before?
No. So yeah, man, I guess because of that, and then unfortunately that same year, tragedy struck, and her mom and dad both passed away.
Oh man, I'm sorry.
And then she had to basically take over and take care of her brothers. Her 2 younger brothers.
At that young age.
Yeah. So
उनको पढ़ाना लिखाना.
Exactly. And
आसान नहीं होगी भाई.
and both my uncles, they went to IIT.
What?
Yeah, and that too on merit, like on
IIT merit भी होता है.
On scholarship, like that kind of merit, like no payment.
तो फिर तो your mom must be very disappointed with you. कि
like अरे यार पहले तो sacrifice किया मैंने
मैं अपने भाइयों को पढ़ा लिखा के इतना बड़ा करके IIT भेजा मेरिट पे, स्कॉलरशिप पे, और मेरा खुद का बेटा इंजीनियर भी नहीं बना. बट ब्रो तूने अपनी मॉम का सपना पूरा किया है. लाइक ये होता है ना कि समटाइम्स द स्पोर्ट्स डैड्स, आजकल तो पिक्चर भी नहीं है ऐसे, वो अपने सपने थ्रू देयर किड्स एंड ऑल दैट. दिस इज एक्चुअली दिस बग हैड बिटन योर मदर. And you, so तेरे को तो तेरे DNA में है.
Yeah.
But you know, living in Dubai, living in Abu Dhabi, the celebrities from the Indian film industry keep coming here. बहुत, और जब वो आते हैं तो यहाँ पे सब पागल हो जाते हैं because यहाँ पर
मच जाता है bro, हल्का.
तो कोई ऐसा तेरे पास टाइम है when you saw one of these guys here,
I'll tell you that story.
And
bro.
you were like, मुझे ये चाहिए.
Yeah, that exactly.
Tell me.
मैं बहुत बड़ा फैन था, मतलब फिल्मों का. एंड 2003 या 4 में एक यहाँ पे जी सिने अवार्ड्स हुआ था. ठीक है, तो माय मॉम मैनेज्ड टू गेट बाय 3 tickets, मी, माय ब्रदर एंड हर, और हम लोग सबसे पीछे बैठे हुए थे, मतलब लास्ट. ठीक है, वहाँ पे ना शाहरुख सर जो है वो इतने मतलब छोटे से डॉट दिख रहे थे वहाँ पे. ठीक है, एंड दिस वाज हिज टूर दैट ही वाज डूइंग वर्ल्ड वाइड. तो ही स्टॉप वन स्टॉप वाज इन दुबई, और वहाँ पर वो सफेद, आई रिमेंबर दिस, he was wearing a white suit. Okay,
वो दिन रात को तुमने white पहना नहीं छोड़ा.
And he was standing over there, bro, और I was mesmerized. ठीक है, अचानक से सारे लाइटें बंद हो चुकी थी. Okay, and within a minute, 30 seconds, but he was standing there, जहाँ पे वो लाइट है. ठीक है, वहाँ से he came behind me.
No way.
He was behind me on a crane, and dude, I went wild. I was screaming like a little girl.
You were a little girl then.
I was a little girl then, right? Oh, and I was running behind him, and there was so many people just shouting his name, right? And that was me. Wow. And I don't know what struck me that day, bro. I remember it clearly in my eyes. मैं कभी वो भूलूंगा नहीं. And like I said, I'm always a fan, always an audience. तो वहाँ से ना मैंने सोच लिया कि someday, this has to be it.
You know, there's a lot of glamour in Dubai. You know,
Yeah.
there's a lot of hard work, man. Now that I'm here, I know it's not easy to just have this system and everything just glitz and glamour and lights and all of that. Did that kind of prepare you well for going to Mumbai? Did that help that you were from Dubai or Abu Dhabi? Also, it's a place जहाँ पे बहुत सारे nationalities हैं. Lots of people who come here and from different parts of the world and make a life for themselves. When you were in school, I'm sure you had Lebanese people, you had people from India, Pakistan, UK, US, all of that, right? So does that prepare you? Did that help you to actually, do you use that in your acting, in your preparation?
I think no. I think these things don't help me. What these things do is that it makes you a personality who can talk to a lot of people, who can communicate with a lot of people. So it gives you good communication skills. That is one. But I have done 15 courses of acting around the globe.
No way.
Right? Yeah, man.
No way.
Yeah. I've done LA, I've done New York, I've done UK, I've done Australia.
It shows.
And I've always been a hustler.
So tell me, at what age, because you're in school, you're doing basketball, you're doing sports, and that's, you know, you're growing up and you're studying. At what age did you know that you're going to be an actor and you want to be an actor, and how did you start? What was your first step?
यार मुझे नहीं पता था भाई, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था. मैं तो स्कूल के बाद मैं कॉलेज चला गया था AUS, American University of Sharjah. वहाँ पर मैं 4 महीने मैंने बहुत तफरीक की.
First of all, can I just say, American University of Sharjah. I went to the American University of Sharjah, and then it's like that, yeah. So then?
So I went over there and 4 months. I went there for 4 months.
And what were you studying?
BBA. Right, the easiest thing possible.
This is what you want to do. You're going to do
I was
BBA,
going to join business.
MBA, and with your personality and all, you'll figure out
I would hopefully figure out something. I mean, मैं कभी मैंने A levels या O levels में मैंने कभी अच्छा नहीं किया. My brother was freaking a genius.
And is he an older brother or?
He's 1 year older than me, right?
So he's 22 now.
Yeah, he's 23.
Okay.
उस 4 महीने जो मैंने इतनी तफरीक की, और हर दिन जब मैं घर जाता था ना, तो मैं अपनी अम्मी को देखता था, और अम्मी मतलब 1 बजे भी काम कर रही है, सुबह के 7 बजे भी काम कर रही है.
What is the work?
Like at that point of time, she was into recruitment of labor, manpower, and human
which was
resources.
the it time
for construction and things like that.
Yeah.
Right? And it was a lot of work, and she was dealing with laborers, steel fixers, carpenters, and every day with just that. She had no friends. She had no life. She never went out, never went to a salon in her life. Bro.
Dude, she had 4 boys in her life, 2 brothers and 2 sons, right? That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, and she had to take care of all of us.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So,
right? And so when I went home, मुझे हमेशा बड़ा मतलब मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता था यार. You know, I was always working, and I'm like, मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यार? मैं जा रहा हूँ मतलब.
So what did you do?
So I dropped university.
And then you started working?
I started working with her for 3 years.
Nice. So your first job was in the business for 3 years?
Yeah, I did construction, I did real estate, I was a receptionist. I joined a hotel. I was standing there for about 2-3 months.
Nice suit.
Yeah, in a nice suit, but
taking advantage of
in a very
your communication skills.
Trying to learn.
Nice.
I used to go and check if the rooms were clean and things like that.
Bro.
Then I got into real estate. Then I got finally into import-export of steel and cement.
That's actually, I want to tell people who have grown up in, I mean, people who are watching, anybody who's grown up in this area, you have to do a stint in real estate.
You have to.
You understand. You become a wheeler, dealer, hustler.
Bro, यहाँ पे तो grocery वाले तक तो real estate करते थे भाई.
Yeah. Bro, I go for coffee. He's like, आपने अभी तक से घर नहीं खरीदा?
भाई तू coffee पे
like, yeah, because he's like, if he sells one house, he doesn't have to do the coffee. He can open the coffee shop.
He can open the coffee shop. Exactly right.
And everybody is like, dude, everybody is
hustler, man.
I actually want to see your mom's face. Yeah. I just want to see her face now.
Yeah.
Like I want to take her to an event where you are going on stage, and there are these girls and boys, young people, and they say, what do they call it? They say da.
Maybe they call me Tajdar now. I don't know.
Tajdar. That's okay. The character's name. Why not? I think she'll cry. I don't know. She seems like a hard person. A hard person to cry. Yeah. But I have a feeling you put her in an audience and don't be with her. Be away. Let her be, and have one of your cousins or friends take a video of her. Bro, she's gonna be so proud of you. And how was the feeling of being in the film festival in Cannes, and by now people know your work? There's a difference. You can be in many film festivals.
Yeah.
And you can be like, nice, and wear your suit and all that. But after people know your work and you're getting appreciated for that work, it's how was the experience?
भाई वहाँ पे French लोग मुझे जानते थे यार.
That's the other thing. When you do something for Netflix and it does well, like if you do something in Korea and does well, the whole world knows it.
The whole world knows it.
If you do something in India and it does well, everybody in the world, suddenly you're not just a star or a celebrated person or an actor in India. Everywhere who has Netflix, because everybody wants to watch an Indian epic saga
From Mr. Bhansali.
From Mr. So how was that? Like, what was the first time you met Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali? What did you feel? And then what is your relationship with him? Does it get better? Is there camaraderie? Are there jokes? Is it a fun
I mean, you know that I got a 3-day role first, right?
No.
Yeah, I signed a 3-day role.
Which was what?
A guy called Zakir or something, which is not, you blink and miss, nothing, you don't see him. That's the role I signed. It was like
no way.
Yeah.
So you were doing Hira Mandi as a different role?
That's the smallest role possible.
And then
कुछ साइन करने के बाद 2-3 हफ्ते बाद उन्होंने कॉल किया कि सर आपसे मिलना चाहते हैं, तो मैं गया मिलने के लिए. एंड देन ही आस्क्ड मी कि तूने क्या क्या किया है. जब मैंने
तूने बता दिया न्यूयॉर्क फिल्म अकादमी
ली स्ट्रासबर्ग.
या ली स्ट्रासबर्ग. हां, बता दिया तूने. देन
ही इज लाइक, भाई तूने काम तो बहुत किया पर कोई तुझे जानता नहीं है.
Fair.
I said, yes,
because you had also done a movie before that.
I've done so many.
Yeah. How many?
I've done about 9.
You know, people don't know that every time you do a film
9, 10,
and you're there on that Thursday and you see a preview and people come and say very good, and Friday happens and then Saturday happens, and then you're like, dude, I need to now look for another job.
Yeah,
and
unemployed
then you
again.
do another movie and you do another movie and like, and then you're like, oh, I'm gonna come back to Dubai. Anyways, for you, coming back to home is not a bad situation. It's you're in Dubai, bro.
I'm in Dubai. Not a bad situation.
And then Hira Mandi happens, and then people do research and like 9 movies.
Yeah, this was actually my 13th project. 13th project. This is my 13th.
And
project.
I can smile and laugh about it because I've been through it. So many people have been through it.
Yeah.
And it's only when something works, when all your work comes out.
Yeah, right. Like, अरे भाई इसने तो ये भी किया.
बड़ा है.
यार सही.
Yeah, wow.
अरे wow.
So tell me then, this role, and he spoke to you, and then
he spoke to me.
And when he's talking to you, what's happening in Europe? What's happening?
I was like, why does he want to speak to me for a 3-day role? Like, what is going on here? Right?
But that's the thing about him, right? Even if it's a teapot, like they say, he will make sure that it's shot like the teapot will feel like it's the hero of that scene.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So maybe, 3-day role is okay, maybe he'll call you, wants to know. And then what happened? He's talking to you and he's telling
talking to me, and then he said, he told me all this that nobody knows you, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, sorry, sir. And then he's like, Shruti, isko ye role mat de, isko Balraj ka role de de. So he increased my role to Balraj's role, which is Tarzan's best friend. And it's a revolutionary character. मैं बोला सर बहुत
Sardar.
मैं करूँगा सर.
The Sardar, na?
No, not the Sardar.
There's a Sardar also in.
There's a Sardar also, but Balraj is the guy who walks with me in my house.
Got it.
Right?
Yeah.
So he's my best friend. So I got his role. I did the look test. और फिर मैं 2 हफ्ते बाद उसका वो contract sign करने के लिए जा रहा था. Then I get a call, and they're like, sorry.
Sorry, you've been fired from Balraj.
Yeah, sorry, but sir changed his mind. Yeah, so that happened, and I'm like, man, ये भी निकल गया मेरे हाथ से. I'm only used to that, so I thought that happened. So but they're like, sir wants to meet you and tell you directly. I said thanks.
Because now you've read the episodes.
No, I didn't.
Oh, you know all the roles. You didn't know no.
I know nothing.
Oh my God.
I know nothing.
You're like Jon Snow.
Yeah, I know nothing.
You know nothing, Jon Snow.
And I went to sir, and literally I didn't know what happened to me, but I went and I held his hand, held his legs, and I'm like, sir, look, this is the biggest opportunity. Please, आप मुझे मत निकालिए. अगर मुझसे कोई गलती हुई तो I'm sorry. I'll change it. I'll do whatever you need. Just tell me. And he's like, beta, bet. So I sat down, and then he said, I saw your look test. कुछ तो है तेरी आँखों में. I want you for the lead of my project. Tarzan Baloch.
God, goosebumps. Oh my God, brother. That's a scene from a movie.
Luck
right?
Chance, bro.
This is a scene from a movie.
And he's like, chal, go downstairs, meet Shivam. He'll give you the audition scene, and get prepared for it. Now 20 minutes. I'll come down. 20 minutes for an audition thing. मैं 2 दिन
इतना ली स्ट्राप्स और सब कुछ बोल चुका है तो अभी कर लेगा.
मैं बोला भाई नहीं
you went and mugged it.
I know, I mugged it up, of course.
Yeah.
In the car I was running, they're like, okay, take an hour. I was doing my work. I came back, I did that scene, then he gave me another scene. Went back, started mugging that scene, went back, did it. Then he's like, चल कल आ जाओ look test के लिए. Then look test में सारे लोग थे. Charmin, the host, Sudeep Chatterjee, proper lighting के साथ उन्हें look test किया है.
Oh my God.
Photography and every photos and everything. वो सब करने के बाद, what happened was he told me very specifically. He called me to the side. He said, "तू किसी से बात नहीं करेगा. यहाँ पे किसी से बात नहीं करेगा. तू सिर्फ श्रुति से बात करेगा." And I'm still thinking about it. I've not confirmed you.
Yeah, fair.
I already have somebody else in my mind.
Yeah, fair.
I've already
Just to
signed
keep you on
somebody.
the yeah.
I'm like, okay sir, I'll only talk to Shruti ma'am, no problem. मैं निकल गया. 1 हफ्ता 2 हफ्ता कोई कॉल नहीं आया. 3 हफ्ते हो गए, मैं परेशान हो गया हूँ. मैं कॉल करता हूँ मैं श्रुति मैम को. श्रुति मैम, मैं बोला मैम मुझे लीड रोल नहीं चाहिए. आप मुझे बलराज का रोल दे दो. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ.
कुछ तो दे दो, कुछ तो दे दो.
बस राइटिंग बता दो कि मुझे बलराज मिल गया है. एंड शी इज लाइक, अभी तक सर ने मुझे कुछ बताया नहीं, मैं तुझे कैसे बताऊंगी. ठीक है मैम, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको कॉल नहीं करता हूँ. 1 month passed.
No
1.5 month passed.
No way.
Okay, and then I got offered these 2 projects and 1 international film. जो मुझे अच्छे खासे पैसे मिल रहे थे, अभी कुछ पैसे की जरूरत थी मुझे, right? So that happened, and 2 months passed. 2.5 months.
You said
passed.
no to it, right?
No.
You said no to that international.
No, I didn't. And I was stalling the contracts. मैं contract पे काम कर रहा था मैं. All right, nobody called. Then finally 3 months later, I had to make a decision. या तो मैं ये करूँ या तो नहीं करूँ.
And you're getting frustrated.
And of course, internally I was getting frustrated. Nobody was calling me. She was not calling me. These people were, literally crawling up my bum, and they're like, you need to sign this now, or else you lose this.
Fair.
So man, with a very heavy heart, I said, man, dude, I don't know what to do. पैसा क्या करूँ? मैंने reject कर दिया तीनों projects. Now back to being unemployed, back to having no money.
Back to doing interviews in a car.
Yeah. And 3 days later, I get a call from Mr. Bansali sir. तू मेरा ताजदार है, set पे आ जा.
तब रोया. Sir, give something to us, sir. Give something to us. No, that's awesome, bro. Congratulations. This is great, man. You should remember this. Write it down. How you felt. Because with time, when it passes, now these emotions will just fade. Because time, write it down, what you felt and all that, and later on when you read it, it'll be good. Or your kids read it, or something.
Oh yeah.
Just write it down.
Keep a journal kind of thing. Yeah.
Not keep a journal. This experience
This
of how you got it. Because after 5 years, it won't be as emotional as you said it. Right. There'll be other priorities in life. You'll have, if you have a wife, if you have a kid, whatever, 10 years. These things, with time, everything kind of loses. Just write. So that when you read it, it comes back. Oh my God, this is what I felt. Oh my God, that evening when I went back, I said, what did I do? It's crazy when things like this happen. I feel like you're one of those people that the Dubai kids here who are so close to home, India, Pakistan and all that.
Yeah.
They look at you and say, man, this guy did it. It's just a jump across the pond. And you'll give some people hope. Because as much as I spend time in Dubai, bro, people are very filmy here.
Yeah.
People love their Indian films. The Indian film stars are big here. And every time there's an event, it's not as big in Mumbai, but here,
It is massive.
people are nuts. If something is happening here, it's nuts. And I love that. I love the fact that they're so every movie, halls are packed. Fridays, Saturdays, people are going and watching every movie. So I think
I know it. I was there. I was doing it.
Yeah, and there are not a lot of people who were from this area and who actually made it into mainstream. So that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, first.
Right? You're first.
Yeah.
Wow. So when you come back here, do you think that like when you hang out with your friends now, have you hung out with them after this?
Yeah.
Hira Mandi is very very recent.
But 2 दिन पहले I had a dinner with them. Right now,
What are they saying?
they're waiting for me right now.
Oh,
So,
look at this.
Yeah.
What a sly way of just saying that, guys, no, time's up.
Yeah.
All these tricks I know. Yeah.
What tricks?
So what are your friends saying now, buddy? Like, hey.
No, man. Many of them are
Because
my really close ones.
Yeah.
They're like.
I mean, at this age, they're only close ones.
Yeah.
Others have washed away.
Right.
But now you'll get. Now, suddenly, there'll be lots of friends in your life who are not there for the first 12 projects. Right?
Yeah.
Now you'll be like, hey man, maybe my personality is great. Everybody wants to be like my friend. So you got to be careful now. The ones who stuck around since the beginning are your friends.
Right. Yeah.
And you will only make some new friends, which because your personality is such, you're working with them, and over a period of time you realize, hey, they're not agenda driven, they actually like me, I like them back. Because when you work with directors, producers, actors, you know, some people you click with, of course, but
very rare, man. Very rare. But to be very honest ना, हम ऐसे इंडस्ट्री में ना, it's always what can I do for you, what can you do for me, you know what I mean? It's never just किसके पास वक्त है यार. सब, you know, सब अपनी families में हैं, already their friends have already been made, established, everything is there.
But there's one thing,
yeah,
when you work in a project for those 80, 90 days, 100 days or 30 days, that becomes your friend circle.
Yeah. At that point of time,
you can dinners with them, lunches with them, and then you're like, oh man, I'd love to, and then you never see them for the next 2-3 years because everybody is busy.
सब लोग ग्रुप बना लेते हैं ना, immediately after that हम लोग,
and then you're like, oh, we'll play together. Oh, you play basketball, I play basketball, we'll play together. And you're like, no, you never see them because they're busy, they have families, you have another project, you're in ready somewhere other, and it doesn't happen. But over the years you will pick a few people who will be your new friends. Otherwise, these are the friends. So does that affect you when you're not in Dubai? Do you miss Dubai friends and Abu Dhabi friends sometimes when you're alone? Especially the first 12 projects that you did in 2 years.
I don't hang out with friends. Like even in I've never, like, I'm a, you can call me a loner, you can call me whatever, but I think that I've sacrificed all of that. You know, I've sacrificed going out, I've sacrificed hanging out at cafes, chilling out with friends, going on vacation with friends. होता नहीं है मुझसे, मैं कर नहीं सकता. जब मैं आता हूँ यहाँ पे तो all the people that I meet, I'm very happy. 1 घंटा 2 घंटा बैठ के. पर उसके बाद
you gotta get your proteins and you gotta go to the gym and you gotta do your
man, you gotta do your shit, man. You gotta do your shit, bro.
So this is what I used to love to do, but it changes once you have kids.
Oh yeah.
And a wife.
Oh yeah.
Because now you've pledged that, hey man, I'm responsible for you, your emotions, your love, your time, and it just can't be about me, right? Which is not what it is when you're alone. When you're, right? Even if you have a girlfriend, you're an actor, you gotta do certain things, it's understood. But then don't have kids, right? So that's, now I feel like at 1.5 hours when I'm playing or in the gym, it's golden. Because it's not just what I have to do as an actor. I feel like, okay, today I've earned, I've done what I'm supposed to do for myself, and then I go back to my kids. I'm nicer, I'm better, I'm happier, I eat right, I'm happier. And it'll change, but it'll change in due course for you.
I feel you, man.
Yeah.
I feel you, yeah. So, let's say शादी बहुत दूर की बात है.
हाँ अभी तो ताज लगा है आपके ऊपर. So working a relationship with Mr. Bansali, and how does it feel to, once getting the role is good, but is it like you're on the same team, you're making something special together? What was that experience like? Aditi Rao, Hadri, Manisha Koirala, these are not names that you can just throw around, man.
Yeah, no, man.
How was that?
First of all, I have to say about my relationship with Mr. Bansali.
Yeah.
Man, he's so funny.
Is he?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
He is extremely humorous. I have seen I've seen a side that I've heard completely different stories, but the way he is with me, like, he is always pulling my leg. He's always cracking jokes. You know, he's and it's the best experience for me, because that means he considers me as
a friend,
one of his.
Yes.
You know,
and you can crack a joke on your,
yeah.
And he also knows that you have the maturity to take it as a joke, not be a sore like mere ko sir ne. So you can only crack jokes on people, and I tell a lot of my friends that I understand that you know that I'm joking. I know that you have the maturity to take it. Otherwise, I'd stop cracking on people who start taking it. That's good, man. That's 100%. Good to know. That's a new thing about him that I've heard. This is one dialogue of yours that has become very viral on Reels. Have people made you do that a lot? Say that a lot?
एक बार देख लीजिए.
हाँ.
Yeah, too. People are going to kill me when I say it again. Yeah. I'll say it for you though.
Okay. Let's do it.
Yeah. So you're going to look at me though.
Oh, okay, and die, and it'll be like poetic justice. You say it to me, and both of us die. Wow! And on camera, nice, bro. So I'm gonna keep looking at you like somebody who's shy. Yeah, say it.
एक बार देख लीजिए, दीवाना बना दीजिए, जलने को है तैयार हूँ,
Oh wow!
परवाना बना दीजिए.
Okay, Top Gear. Wow. Dude, girls. So, okay. Do you remember what and this is like it's not a real question that I would like to ask, but I'm just going to ask you because it's the way of today.
Yeah, right.
The social media is part of our lives.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Do you remember what your following was before Hira Mandi and after?
Yeah, of course.
Is it a huge difference? The numbers of likes and the number of comments, has it become like from 15 to like 25,000? It has, right?
Yeah, no, something like that.
Good.
I mean,
Are you going through these messages?
I am going through these messages.
Craziest messages bata de ki yaar ye bhi, oh, you were like, man, alright, this is crazy. Yeah?
And I'll tell you a few messages. I'll tell you also the numbers.
Okay.
तो मुझे लगता था कि इंस्टाग्राम काम नहीं करता था मेरे लिए मैं क्या करूं
मेरा तो वायरल होगा
रील्स बना रहा हूँ पोस्ट डाल रहा हूँ
बॉडी भी है सिक्स पैक है बैक भी लेग डे
सब कुछ तो कर रहा हूँ क्या करूं मैं
वाओ
alright and then I was still getting 300 likes 400 likes max to max 500 likes.
That's because you had posted a photo with somebody else who was
yeah,
very known.
Yeah, was very known. Yeah, no, 500 likes. इसके साथ डाल देते फोटो.
We'll collaborate.
Collaborate.
Oh my god.
वो डाला, वो सब किया मैंने, सब किया. And now 2 lakhs.
And if you put one with one of the actors or a still or behind the scenes and all that, 5 lakhs. Oh, it's crazy.
It's crazy, man.
Nice.
It's crazy.
You deserve it.
Yeah, no, man. It's unbelievable.
What would you, now that you, see, I know for a fact that Hira Mandi wouldn't have paid you much.
Yeah.
I know this because, because I know.
It is what it is, yeah.
Now you're going to get paid. One of these projects that you sign in the next few months, you're going to get paid. Is there, and you're a Dubai boy, you're a Middle East boy. I'm sure you're going to, you know value of cars, bikes, watches. You've seen it all your life.
Yeah.
The Dubai life. But you've seen homes, you know property also does well. You've done. And you have a mum, you have brother, your mamas, right? You're going to buy something. First of all, who are you going to buy it for? Because I don't believe that you are a kind of guy who's going to spend. That's not true. Who are you going to spend on? What are you going to buy for them? After you bought everything for everybody, small thing, what are you going to buy for yourself? Are you going to do a down payment because you look like that guy on a house? Because that's you, right?
No.
So what are you doing? So let's.
I'll be very honest with you.
Yeah, because abhi tak se baaki to sab jhoot tha. Yeah, be honest.
जो भी, like I told you before, मैं पैसों में deal नहीं कर सकता.
Okay, only gold coins?
Only gold coins, diamonds, you know what I mean, Hira Mandi.
Hira Mandi, yes.
Right, तो जो भी पैसा आता है ना, मैं अपनी मम्मी को दे देता हूँ.
Awesome.
And I don't need to buy anything. I don't need to buy anybody anything. I give my money to my mom.
Oh, nice.
And then she can run whatever she needs to run. I mean, anyway, she's running the whole house, bro.
You know, she's not running anything with your money. I hope you know that.
Well, no,
it's getting doubled, tripled, 10x'd as we speak. Your mom's putting some of it in buying gold.
No, I'm sure, yeah.
No, you don't know, bro. Moms don't spend bachcha's money.
Yeah?
I mean, if something is needed, of course.
Yeah, of course.
But you don't know. One day, you're like, Mom, I'm going to do some down payment on this house. It's like, ye le lo. What? You're so lucky because you got somebody who can do that for you. If I ask one of your friends, Taha ko kis cheez ka shauq hai? What would they say? Would they say video games? Would they say, oh, he loves sneakers? Would they say, oh, he loves this, ice cream?
I think they only say that he's just crazy about fitness. Like.
That's how you would be known if it was not for?
If it was not for
acting?
Yeah.
Or you think fitness has also happened because you want to be an actor?
I think fitness became such a big thing because I wanted to be different. I wanted to bring in something that nobody else brought in. Of course, Tiger is a big inspiration. I've trained with him.
Oh, like that?
Much. Yeah.
So Vidyut is also there?
Yeah.
So
I would say that it took me almost 11 years to achieve that kind of skill that Tiger has now.
So, bro, if I'm not mistaken, if you had to write or if you had to just say it out in the world so that you get that kind of project, a dream project would be an action series where you get to do all your action?
No.
Then?
No. I want to do emotional stories. I want to do action is secondary to me.
Okay.
Right? But for me,
Interesting.
making people kind of like churn in their seats, you know, with intense emotion. That is what I love. You know, make me give something where I can make them cry, where I can
Wow.
truly break open those barriers that they have within them.
Fair.
You know, because people have stopped crying, people have stopped expressing. But you know, movies is
I don't know what people are talking about. What we're talking about, bro. Since I've had kids now and daughter, dude, I'm crying more than ever. I'm like a tap, bro.
Yeah.
I'm like, dude, I don't know what's going on. I had to leave some of the shows that I was doing just because I was so emotional, man. Like I could see if somebody told me about their struggle, and they said I've done this to get here and all that, and it started happening in the auditions and all. I would just look at people and say, I was just like, how blessed am I? And I was just like, I don't know. I think being emotional is very underrated.
Yeah, it is very underrated. So here we are trying to make people emote more, man. This is what our job is, bro.
Quick questions.
Yeah.
Best place for your favorite place to eat at in Dubai right now?
Al Sawadi.
Ooh.
Yes.
So if you were to get a shawarma, it's from
Yeah, Sawadi.
Al Sawadi. Okay, great. Best place to enjoy the beach in Dubai or Abu Dhabi?
I think the Kite.
Kite Beach. Yes, you're
Very
right.
good, man. Really good, very good.
What's your favorite? Burj Al Arab or Burj Khalifa? Dubai Frame. There's so many buildings. What is your favorite building that says, okay, this is home for you? What was that? Because there was a time
I would say that this
Burj Al Arab.
Burj Al Arab is what defines.
It was on the. It was.
And also the Emirates Towers.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah. Those define. You know the DIFC?
Yeah.
Yeah, the financial center. That I think that defines Dubai.
A typecast about Dubai that you hate, and you're like every time somebody says.
God, dude, please, I'm not gonna like it. Everybody from Dubai must be rich.
That's not true, bro.
That's not true, bro.
That's not true. Believe me.
Not true at all. Too much.
All right, bro.
Is this cat blind? What she doesn't care.
Nah,
Doesn't care about you, bro.
She's a Dubai cat, bro.
It's a Dubai cat,
She
bro.
don't care. She identifies as a tiger.